Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to dive into the world of hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel. Hyperlinks can be powerful tools for making your Excel spreadsheet more interactivity and user-friendly. Whether you want to link to external website, other documents or different sheets within your workbooks, we have got you covered. So what exactly are hyperlink in Excel? Well, a hyperlink is like a clickable link that can take you to another location within the same worksheet and another worksheet or external website or even another documents. They are fantastic for navigation and data organizations. Let's start with creating hyperlinks to websites. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, if I want to use the hyperlink in here, first select the cell and go to the Insert tab and click the link in there. You can easily hit on the OK, or you can just right click and use the links. So it will pop up the same dialog box. Now enter the website, like here. First one, we need to select the website is existing file or web page. So if I type here the Wikipedia, then you can also use the text to display as a screen tips. You can use here like click, or here click to more. I can just say, then hit on the OK. Now here we found it. Now it's clickable, and when you press click and hold the select cell with this, you can easily link and you can go to the Wikipedia organizations. Okay. Now if you want to link in your document or internal or in the workbook another sheet, by the same way, go to the link and use the place in this document. And if you do have another sheet, so you can use it there, or you can use the different range. So if I'm gonna say this will be L and say the 12, then here sheet 1 and hit on the OK. Okay, when I click hover, now you can see it takes me into the here. Okay, this you can easily link with the other sheet or other document. Okay, so this wraps up our tutorial on hyperlink in Excel. Hyperlinks are versatile tools that can enhance the functionalities and interactivity of your spreadsheet. Use them to connect to website, to file different sheets with your workbook. So thanks for watching. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We will be showing you how to import data from the web directly into Microsoft Excel. This skill can save you a lot of time and effort when you need to work with web-based data in your spreadsheet. Okay, let's start by and with the Microsoft Excel, and here I want to ensure that this kind of data source, or this is the populations, world populations, and I want to import this kind of data. Instead of copying from here, I want to in my Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the easy way you can easily import this kind of table in your data sheet. Now let's move into the here, and what I am gonna do, I will use here the data tab, and from there you can find get and transforms data. From there select the from web, and now you can find the data from web, this dialog box, and you need to paste here the web link, like I do have this web link, then hit on the OK. Now it's connecting in with the link in there, and here we got it the navigator. From there you can select what kind of data you want to import into your Excel worksheets. Okay, now if I want to use like the first population, here I have the first population according to my website. So like there is the table or table 16 or different table, you can select from there or choose from there, and when you think that so this is for you, okay, now you can use the load. Now it's loading into your worksheet. Okay, so here we got it the table which is in our here, and we imported data into our Excel worksheet. So this way you can easily insert the any kind of table from the web link, and anything is updated in your website. So it can be easily updated in here by clicking over the refresh. So it can be give you the refresh data set or the update data set. Okay, so that's wrap up for today's tutorial on how to import data from the web directly into Microsoft Excel. This skill is incredibly useful for data analysis, research, and more. Now you can save time and work more efficient with web-based informations. So thank you for watching, and I will see in the next tutorial.